Hello, people. What's up, and how are you doing out there? Today, I want to talk about some of one of the tools I've been interfering with quite number of I can say years. If you are an ISP, if you're really into internet service providing, if you are doing retail, if you want to venture into ISP, you would really need this tool called Splynx because it has so many features. For the beginners, if you starting company, if you just joining ISP, I would recommend such a tool because it's really diverse and it really captures everything you would like to see for your company when it's growing. And also for growing companies, I am very sure this tool can compensate for everything you need. It has so many functionalities from billing, from managing clients, tickets, finance, networking, the voice, everything you need. You really need this tool. Not only does it do all that those things, but it also has great features around accountability, system audits. Uh, so it's quite so huge. If you look at all these features it has, it's really amazing. Uh, Really, I want today we shall be talking about some of these features bits by bits, but today I want to talk about some features. Let's just have an overview of all these features. So clients, as you can see, clients is where all your clients, your billing are using it. You can see the capacity they are taking. You can see who is new, who is inactive. The CRM is just good in that if you have salespeople, they can use the same tool to onboard clients. A client can come. This is where you add a client, a prospect, they prospect. So all these things is all in one tool. So from onboarding a client to client provisioning, and then up to billing, and then also ticketing is also integrated inside there. So I've interfaced with these tools for quite some time, and I think it's one of the best tools that an ISP should have, and I think it's amazing. It has support for the APIs. Those people who want to integrate all kinds of payments, you can integrate easily. You can integrate it with your bookkeeping company or system, any system that does your booking. It does all that. So it's quite comprehensive and also good for your business. If you look at the processes from leading, I mean from customer onboarding. These are all prospect. So you can say this customer is new. This one was one new inquiry. It all does that. So you can also change the customer who has been activated. You can see they are activated now. Activation is in process. So really is quite comprehensive. Let me look at when it comes to networking. This is where you find that you add all your devices that are connected to the network. This is where you add all the devices. If you have any device you want to use, MikroTik, Cisco router, this is where you add it from. And then you can also configure it. You can configure its properties from here, how it interfaces with the radius, accounting, and all that, connection rules. You have all that in one place. You're managing IPs. All IPs can be managed through this interface, whereby you know which client is taking which IP, which has been provisioned. All that is, any block you want, all that is in this place. So you can also manage IPv4. That's all. And also it has, when it comes to plans, you can see you can have so many plans you're giving to clients. It has special features like fair usage policy you can implement, you can add. You want your customers to burst at night, you can all configure them in here. You want your customers to burst during the weekend, you can all have it there. And beauty with it, you can test what you have provisioned. Whenever you have, let me say, a fair usage policy that doesn't work, clients are complaining, you can also test it from here and then see what's really going on. Does it kick in? Those clients, all that is in here. We talked about the audit trail. For auditing every bit of it, everything that is done in the system, it is logged. Operation from the operation, all operations that are being done on the system are being logged. So it's good for auditing. Everything that is done, someone viewed a customer, someone did what, someone edited that, is all in this application. When we go back to here, it has the client portal, which is quite impressive. Your clients can access this portal, and then they see what what you're billing them, when their service is about to expire, the payments, all that. So when you have a look at SMSs, logs for SMSs, administrators, manage administrators from here. Anyone who wants to access the system, you can manage them from there. It has APIs. Anyone who wants to connect to the system, we have system integration. Let me say you have another platform that should talk to this system. It's quite easy. You have another support system. Let me say a billing system. You can talk to. You can make it communicate to Splynx. In anything you want, really, it's quite easy to integrate with. When we talk about people who do voice, it's also integrated in this Splynx. You want to do voice, you can integrate it properly here. It's quite impressive. We have the finance. You have a finance department. It can also concentrate on this. How much have you been paid? Paid invoice, unpaid invoice, credit notes is all in here. I've done configuration for the system for quite many years. I've seen its capabilities, and it's really comprehensive system. So I'd recommend it for anyone who wants to start a small business, for anyone enterprises who are handling retail customers. This is a system you should be having so that you navigate around, manage clients properly. So if you need any assistance, just look me up. I can arrange any meeting so that you integrate all these based on what you want. Let it be routers, let it be you want to integrate payments, you want system flow, how the system you want to integrate it with other system. Yeah, just let me know. Yeah, have a good day. Bye.